Doki, today I have designed an amazing robot, which is the robot puppy. Because my puppy's got a puppy, and so the robot's the robot puppy. Sunshine. Robot puppy. Okie dokie. Okay. I have coded the amazing robot, and let's do a demo. Okie dokie. One more. Okie dokie, awesome. And the code's starting. And a test. Looks like it's working. Okie dokie. Let's go, amazing robot puppy. Forward. Halt. Amazing. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dance.
I'm a dancing machine on here.
Oh yeah, you are. AI.
I am an advanced robot puppy that will dominate the earth.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Forward. Halt. Left.
I am an advanced robot puppy and will dominate the earth.
Right.
I'm a dancing machine on here.
Okie dokie. Yes, you are. Right.
Yes, sir.
Forward. Okie dokie. Yeah, the robot
I
puppy.
am an advanced robot puppy and will dominate the earth.
Yes, you are.
I am an advanced robot puppy and will dominate the earth.
Amazing. Hope everybody's having a happy, amazing day. And
I am an advanced robot
if you'd
puppy
like to
and will
learn
dominate
how
the earth.
to design a robot puppy, costs like $200 and need to learn Python. Happy to help and hope everybody's having a happy day.